welcome to the official video overview for the proposed initial public offering of Milestone Gears Limited. We are a manufacturer of high-precision, complex engineered transmission components that have applications across multiple sectors, including tractors, construction equipment, electric vehicles, locomotives, windmills, and other heavy industries. We supply our products to Indian and global original equipment manufacturers, customers, including their affiliated entities. This video is directed at and is intended for distribution to and use by residents of India only. You are viewing this video on the basis that you have confirmed your representation, agreement and acknowledgement to the book running lead managers and the company that you are the intended recipient of this video and you are located in India. If you are not permitted to view this video or are in any doubt as to whether you are permitted to view this video, please exit this video. Caution: investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the public issue on the internet, online websites, social media platforms, microblogging platforms by finfluencers. Investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the offer document and price band advertisement for making investment decision. Investors are advised to read the draft red herring prospectus dated November 18th, 2025 before taking an investment decision on the offer. Milestone Gears Limited's IPO consists of an offer of equity shares of face value of rupees 2, each aggregating up to rupees 11,000 million, a fresh issue of equity shares of face value of rupees 2, each aggregating up to rupees 8,000 million, and an offer for sale of up to equity shares of face value of rupees 2, each aggregating up to rupees 3,000 million. The company was incorporated on April 27, 1984, and its registered office is located in Himachal Pradesh, India. We are a technology-oriented company committed to addressing customer requirements through the adoption of advanced equipment and machinery that enable us to not only continuously meet the changing engineering specifications of the components and foray into new products, but also keep our existing portfolio aligned with customer expectations and improve operational efficiencies. We leverage our end-to-end manufacturing capabilities, backed by a technology-driven approach and fungible production setup, to manufacture a broad spectrum of transmission component families, making us as a one-stop shop for the complete range of transmission components. Our offerings include bull gears, transmission gears and transmission shafts, rear axles, spindles, internal ring gears, rock shafts and induction hardened shafts, cut bevel gears and ground gears and shafts. Between April 1st, 2022 and June 30th, 2025, we have served more than 50 customers, including affiliated entities of OEMs. We have 9 manufacturing facilities spread across Punjab, Haryana and Himachal Pradesh, covering an aggregate built-up area of over 3,98,000 square feet on a total area of more than 7 lakh square feet. The following chart shows our continuous ability to build capacity, upgrade our manufacturing facilities, infrastructure, machines and equipment. We have a track record of developing complex, critical, precision engineered components for both the agricultural and construction equipment sectors over 4 decades. We intend to build on this success and leverage our engineering and product development capabilities to manufacture components that have applications in other sectors, with a particular focus on high growth, high margin sectors such as EV, locomotives and windmills. Investors should note the following. Important risks before taking any investment decision. In the offer, our business is dependent on certain key customers, and our top 10 customers contributed 92.96%, 94.43%, 96.42% and 98.35% of our revenue from sale of products in the 3 months ended June 30th, 2025 and fiscals 2025, 2024 and 2023, respectively. The loss of revenue from our top 10 customers could have an adverse impact on our business, results of operations, financial condition and cash flows. We generate a significant portion of our revenue from sale of certain product categories, namely bull gears, transmission gears and transmission shafts, rear axles and internal ring gears that accounted for 91.78%, 90.74%, 91.08% and 87.50% of our revenue from sale of products in the 3 months ended June 30th, 2025 and in fiscals 2025, 2024 and 2023, respectively. If we experience a slowdown in demand for these products, our business, results of operations, financial condition, and cash flows may be adversely affected. We do not have any long-term binding contracts with our suppliers for the procurement of raw materials. We typically place orders with them in advance of our anticipated requirements. In the 3 months ended June 30th, 2025 and fiscal 2025, 2024, and 2023, the cost of raw materials purchased from our top 3 suppliers accounted for 80%, 83.51%, 73.69%, and 76.58% of our total purchases, respectively. Any interruption in the availability of raw materials or any disruption, breakdown or shutdown of our suppliers or any instability of our supplier base could adversely impact our operations. Our business and profitability is substantially dependent on the availability and cost of our raw materials, that is, alloy steel from our suppliers. Our cost of raw materials and components consumed accounted for 48.06%, 48.15%, 46.20%, and 53.59% of our total expenses in 3 months ended June 30th, 2025, fiscal 2025, 2024, and 2023, and volatility and unavailability caused by various external conditions or any disruption to the timely and adequate supply of raw materials, or volatility in the prices of raw materials may adversely impact our business, results of operations, financial condition, and cash flows. Our business is dependent on the performance of certain sectors, particularly tractors, which accounted for 83.30%, 82.70%, 79.24%, and 80.35% of our sale of products in the 3 months ended June 30th, 2025, and in fiscals 2025, 2024, and 2023. Seasonal or economic cyclicality, coupled with reduced demand in the tractor sector, may have a material adverse effect on our business, results of operations, and financial condition. Investors should please see the section Risk Factors beginning on page 36 of the DRHP before making an investment decision. The promoters of our company are Ashok Kumar Tandon and Aman Tandon. As on the date of the DRHP, our promoters collectively hold 67,490,400 equity shares of face value of rupees 2 each, equivalent to 74.99% of the issued, subscribed, and paid up equity share capital of our company. Details of the offer for sale by the selling shareholders. Our promoters, promoter group, and selling shareholders are collectively selling shares of face value rupees 2 each, aggregating up to rupees 3,000 million. As on the date of filing of the draft red herring prospectus, we have 6 directors on our board, of whom 3 are independent directors, including 1 woman independent director. Details of our KPIs as of and for the period ended June 30th, 2025, and fiscal 2025, fiscal 2024, and fiscal 2023. A summary of outstanding legal proceedings involving our company, directors, and promoters, as on the date of the draft red herring prospectus, as disclosed in outstanding litigation and other material developments in terms of the SEBI ICDR regulations. For further details, please see outstanding litigation and material developments beginning on page 404 of the DRHP. The objects of the offer are proposed to be utilized by our company in repayment, prepayment, in full or in part, of certain outstanding borrowings and accrued interest there on availed by our company, financing the capital expenditure requirements in relation to setting up of a new manufacturing facility at Mohalbated, Tehsil Baddi, Zilla Solan, Himachal Pradesh, the proposed greenfield project, and general corporate purposes. For further details, see objects of the offer beginning on page 116 of the DRHP. The offer is being made through the book building process in accordance with Regulation 6, one of SEBI ICDR regulations, with allotment of not more than 50% of the offer to qualified institutional buyers, not less than 15% of the offer to non-institutional bidders, and not less than 35% of the offer to retail individual bidders. The equity shares are proposed to be listed on BSE and NSE, and the book running lead managers to the offer are JM Financial Limited, Axis Capital Limited, and Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk, and investors should not invest any funds in the offer unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the draft red herring prospectus dated November 18th, 2025 and any corrigendum or addendums thereto. Neither our company nor our promoters or the selling shareholders are seeking any investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase, or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should wait for the red herring prospectus to be filed in relation to the issue for making any investment decision.